Is your Subaru Ascent struggling to keep a stable Apple CarPlay connection? Let's troubleshoot the root causes in this guide. Statistics show that over 70% of connectivity drops are actually related to the physical cable or debris inside the port. Before you assume your infotainment system is broken, we need to systematically isolate the point of failure. Start by cleaning your phone's port, swapping your cable for an official one, and clearing the existing pairing from your settings. Often, your phone's own privacy or restriction settings are silently blocking the handshake with your Subaru's Starlink interface. If the phone is fine, force a reboot of the head unit by holding the volume knob, or check if your dealer has a pending firmware update. Most issues are solvable at home, but if the unit continues to crash, it may be a hardware wiring fault requiring professional attention. As you can see, the vast majority of these problems are simple cable failures rather than complex electronic malfunctions. To narrow it down, try a different phone to see if the problem follows the device or stays with the vehicle's port. Keep a high-quality cable and some compressed air in your glove box, as these are the two most effective tools for resolving connection drops. Remember that consistency is key with CarPlay, so never settle for a cable that only maintains a connection at a specific angle. Thanks for watching, and check the description for more tips on keeping your Ascent's tech running smoothly.